Good evening, YouTube. Yako here. Micro dwelling car life. 95 Honda Civic. I am taking this video to show you all the functionality of having my pet sleep in here with me. My cat sleeps in here pretty much all day. Keep the fans running. I have this tower fan mounted up here. Crack the window with these little covers on there, and I can get some nice fresh air all night. Right now I just have the front windows cracked without the netting on there, and then this one has the netting. These are the wires coming in. I need to clean that up. They go from solar panel to the solar generator, which is right under the bed. If y'all viewed the last video, I have a bathroom cabinet that is the platform of this bed, and then some plywood as well. So there's a bunch of stuff down in there, clothes, necessities, things like that, toiletries. But yeah, the generator sits right under here in the power junction center. My battery junction box, everything, custom wire tuck on this that I did. Kind of just stuck up against the firewalls back there. This is the kitty. He loves his life. And this is Nodus. He is laying on his bed right now. I have the front seat all the way forward with the tilt forward as well. There's the main piece of plywood that runs from driver to passenger side. It is 4 feet long exactly by 2 foot wide, so it overhangs just enough to reach my little platform down there. That way it covers up the void in between the platform and the actual back seat. Under that platform is the cat's water, food dish, and then on this side under the wood is his litter box, and then some umbrellas, clipboard, just random stuff like that. And then I have another square of plywood that I slide out, which slides out to here. No legs, it's just kind of resting on the weight from back here. And it works. As you can see, Nodus is comfortable as ever. The cat is trying to swallow my thumb, and my Chihuahua will be moving in with us mid-July. Quick update on my rig. Had a pretty major setback. The engine blew in the vehicle. The engine is actually from my old car. It was kind of a big fuck you to the financer that I was buying the car from. I know him personally, and he is a crook, and long story short, it was just my way of saying fuck you to him by yanking the motor out of his car that I still owed him on, and then sending it to the junkyard with no title. So they said bye-bye, and I slapped it in this car. That was not my plan. My plan was to do a K-Series motor in this car and originally have it as a race car. Life changed, plans changed. Just have a clearer vision of what I want to do and how I plan on spending my life, at least for now, until something else makes me do something else. So just a quick little video. This is the rig. People have been probably wondering where my feet go when I lay all the way down, since I don't have this traditionally set up like most people who live in their car, to where I lay the trunk down and all that. I like to keep my trunk stuff separate from the stuff inside the car. So what I did was, since I could not figure out how to put my dash completely back together and my glove box is clearly missing, that is the perfect candidate for some feet. So when I lay down, basically I grab a hold of this and lift my weight up. Feet go in there. They got plenty of room to move around. I turn on my side while I'm sleeping in here. I can turn on both sides. I am actually very, very comfortable. I got a pillow. I got a second pillow right back here next to my other fan. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty comfortable. I have slept well over 9-10 hours. Of course, on mornings that I am extremely tired, or right after the race, I think I slept 9 hours in here in a Walmart parking lot. I mean, it's comfy. It's nice and cool and breezy. This is what I wanted, and once I get the new engine put in this, I will be able to embark on my adventures again and start my life. So as of right now, I'm borrowing a homie's vehicle just to get my day-to-day activities done, you know, get to work and back, and do any shopping I need done, anything like that. So that's very nice of him. I have that parked around the back of the building over here while I'm camping out for the night. So if y'all like my videos, then go ahead and show that by liking them. Send comments. If y'all have any questions about my build, what I use, my rig, if y'all have questions about the animals, questions about me, whatever you got, I'm more than happy to answer. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if y'all want to see more, and y'all have a wonderful night. Peace out.